Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to disable map previews on Telegram using the latest updated steps. If you value your privacy or simply prefer a cleaner chat experience, turning off map previews is a smart move. By default, Telegram can show map previews when someone shares a location link. While this can be useful, the good news is that you can turn this feature off in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner, or your profile icon. Tap on it to access the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your customization and privacy options. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls how your data and interactions are handled within the app. Now, scroll down until you see an option called Map Preview Provider. This is the setting that controls whether map previews appear in your chats. Tap on Map Preview Provider and you'll see a few options. To completely disable map previews, simply select No Previews. And that's it. From now on, Telegram will no longer display map previews when links are shared. This can help reduce data usage, improve loading speed, and give you a bit more control over what appears in your chats. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to this setting and switch it back on. That's all for this guide. Thanks for watching.